Are you ready to talk about creativity, potato face? Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, we inspire. And I can't help but admire the creativity of the entrepreneurs I see on TV. I want to share with you some ideas. All right, we talk about creativity. Let me give you some creative ideas. Let's see if we can't help you to become that entrepreneur that you desire and deserve to be. Let's start with my favorite product, Skinny Dip. All right, Skinny Dip. Skinny Dip. Here's the deal with Skinny Dip. Okay, you bake a potato, right? You cut it in half, you put butter on it, you crack a little pepper on there, and then when you go to the mirror, you take a look and you say to yourself, I got a baked potato face. Or is your face so shiny that ships use it as a lighthouse at night? The Colonel doesn't tell you what's going to happen to your face after you eat greasy, finger-licking good chicken. You'll have so many holes on your mug that you'll create a market for tiny little golf clubs. Yes, your friends will ask if they can play miniature golf on your face. You need Skinny Dip. Okay, let's carry it a little further. So, you're about to be married. You couldn't be happier. Spending your life with the partner of your dreams. Till death do you part. Who are you crapping? You did know that more than 50% of all marriages end in divorce, didn't you? Yeah, you could get a prenup, but that's like a manufacturer guaranteeing your car for 1 year or 12,000 miles. The easy part that doesn't need fixing. The honeymoon, so to speak. What happens then? Guys, you marry the woman of your dreams, hoping that she will never change. And when things start to sag, what are you going to do? And ladies, you get married, hoping to change that hunk of clay into a masterpiece that you will personally shape and mold into your ideal man. Well, you better shake, baby, shake and wake the heck up. What really happens? You know and I know that you need a mate, a partner, a lover, a friend. You'll find somebody new, and then the same thing happens again. Do you want to give up everything you own every 5 friggin' years from a divorce? You need divorce abort. You can't stop it, but with divorce abort, we'll pay you a huge sum to help you alleviate that pain. Use it for excessive drug use or alcohol consumption to help carry you over. Use it for counseling. Do you know how expensive a shrink is? You'll need a couch to lie on when you see that bill. Your medical insurance doesn't cover that pain or anguish. Or just use the money to take a getaway vacation to a tropical island where you can visualize yourself with a new partner that's dressed in the bare minimum. Is your peace of mind worth $99.95 a month? It's like putting your heart in a vacuum-sealed plastic bag. A condom for your well-being. Now that's protection. But wait, there's more. If you order within the next 200 years, we will include 50 of the most heart-rendering torch songs of all times. What are torch songs? Torch songs are sentimental songs that portray different aspects of unrequited love or lost love. The term torch originates from the idiom to carry a torch for someone, which refers at being in love or romantically infatuated with a person who does not reciprocate those feelings. Typically, torch songs explore complex situations in which relationships end, but one individual still has strong and intense feelings of love for the other, thereby keeping the flame alive with unrequited love. Order now before it's too late. Remember, Cupid's arrow sometimes only draws blood. A Band-Aid won't do that job and alleviate your pain and anxiety. Protect yourself. Order divorce abort right now. Feelings nothing more than feelings, trying to forget my feelings of love. All right, let's move on. Let's get serious. Men, were you voted hairline most likely to recede in high school or college? Are you just going to take that? You need toupee insurance. Our motto, just in case losing your hair is expanding your face. Or men, do you wake up every morning with a bale of belly button lint every single morning? Could you crochet a sweater with the excess cotton balls that magically appear on your innie or outie every day? Are you entrepreneurial? Why not sell that lint and make a mint? We buy belly button lint and make blankets, shirts, socks, and so much more. And it will also help the environment. Take the hint. Sell your lint and make a mint. Okay, had a little fun today. Here's the point though. People that are successful, that are entrepreneurial, that are creative, what they do is they take an issue, a problem, something that happens every day, and they correct it. They take a look at a situation, figure out how it is, not better than it is, not worse than it is, and what they can do to make that negative a positive. But that takes vision. So before you go to sleep at night, visualize the end result that you want and speak to the infinite mind. Have the infinite mind partner with you. Don't give the solution. Let the infinite mind take all the information that you've gathered over the years to help you coagulate it together. Make sense? Let's be more creative. Until we meet next time, remember, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.